The thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped endocrine gland located in the anterior neck, just below the Adam's apple. It consists of two lobes connected by a central bridge called the isthmus. This important endocrine gland is positioned in front of the trachea. The functional units of the thyroid are spherical structures called follicles. Each follicle is lined with follicular cells, also known as thyrocytes. Between follicles are parafollicular cells, or C cells. The center of each follicle contains a protein-rich fluid called colloid, which stores thyroid hormones. The thyroid gland produces three main hormones: triiodothyronine, or T3, thyroxine, or T4, and calcitonin. T4 is the primary hormone produced by the thyroid, but it serves mainly as a prohormone. It contains 4 iodine atoms. T3 is the active form, converted from T4 in peripheral tissues. It influences metabolic rate, protein synthesis, and growth. Calcitonin is secreted by parafollicular cells and plays a role in calcium homeostasis by lowering blood calcium levels. Iodine is absolutely essential for the production of T3 and T4 and must be obtained through dietary intake since the body cannot produce it. Thyroid hormone production is regulated by the hypothalamic pituitary thyroid axis, a sophisticated feedback system. The hypothalamus releases thyrotropin-releasing hormone, or TRH, which stimulates the anterior pituitary. TRH causes the anterior pituitary to release thyroid-stimulating hormone, or TSH. TSH then stimulates the thyroid gland to produce and release T3 and T4 hormones. Finally, T3 and T4 provide negative feedback to the hypothalamus and pituitary, inhibiting TRH and TSH release, thus maintaining hormonal balance. This elegant feedback system ensures that thyroid hormone levels remain within the optimal range for proper bodily function. Thyroid hormones have widespread effects throughout the body. They affect nearly every organ system, increasing metabolic rate, oxygen consumption, and promoting heat production or thermogenesis. These hormones are particularly crucial for proper growth and development, especially brain development in children. Thyroid hormones are transported in the blood, primarily bound to carrier proteins such as thyroxine-binding globulin, or TBG. Only a small fraction, about 1%, circulates in the free form as FT3 and FT4. It's important to note that only this free form is biologically active and can enter cells to exert hormone effects. Recent years have seen significant advances in thyroid diagnostics and research. Precision diagnostics now include enhanced immunoassay technologies and molecular testing to identify genetic variants linked to thyroid malignancies. Artificial intelligence is also playing an increasingly important role in thyroid cancer diagnosis, using advanced image analysis and pattern recognition. Research on extracellular vesicles is revealing their important role in intercellular communication within the thyroid. These vesicles show promise as potential biomarkers for thyroid diseases and as therapeutic delivery vehicles. Another exciting area of research is the gut-thyroid connection. The gut microbiome's composition is now being linked to thyroid cancer and thyroid nodules. This connection may lead to new clinical diagnostic approaches and the development of probiotic therapies. Looking to the future, thyroid medicine is evolving in several important directions. These future trends include personalized medicine, non-invasive diagnostics, targeted therapies, understanding the gut-thyroid axis, comprehensive approaches to autoimmune thyroid diseases, and global standardization of testing. Personalized medicine will leverage genomic research to develop individual risk profiles and tailored treatments based on genetic markers. Development of non-invasive diagnostic methods includes advanced imaging technologies and blood-based biomarkers to minimize invasive procedures. Research into the gut-thyroid axis will continue, exploring microbiome analysis in thyroid patients and potential dietary interventions for thyroid health.